You can use site styles to adjust the colors for your site's text, lines, and background areas. Color changes apply site-wide, so changing the color for one element of a page, such as the body text, will change that element on all pages. Each color tweak must be adjusted individually. Also, there isn't a way within the Site Styles panel to adjust colors for an individual page or block. However, if you have coding experience, you could try making the change with CSS. Please note that we don't provide support for advanced modifications like this. First, navigate to a page where you'd like to see changes. From the Home menu, click Pages. Then click a page whose colors you want to adjust. After selecting the correct page in the Pages panel, return to the Home menu. From there, click Design, and then click Site Styles. The specific style tweaks depend on your template. Scroll down within Site Styles to see all tweaks available on the page you're viewing. Every color tweak has a circle next to its label. This circle shows the current color for that element. To find tweaks specific to an element on the page, click it. Site Styles will display only the style tweaks for that element, and then hide the rest. You can then click Show All to display all the tweaks for the page again. Once you've found the tweak, click it to open the color picker. Use the color picker that opens to find the color that you want. Click the slider to choose the color, and adjust the shade by clicking the circle in the middle. Alternatively, if you know the value for the color you want, you can enter the hexadecimal code in the value field. To adjust the color's transparency, use the opacity slider by dragging the circle below the color picker. The left side is completely transparent, while the right side is completely solid. The opacity slider is particularly useful for overlay colors, which display over images. If you have one color or image that overlays another, making the top layer transparent keeps the bottom layer visible. Click anywhere outside the color window to close the color picker. To undo any changes before saving, click the gray dot next to the tweak. And once you're finished making changes, click Save. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.